If you're looking for the ultimate AI tool to help grade essays with precision and ease, then you're going to want to stick around for this EssayGrader AI review. I'm about to share 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this just released software, and trust me, you won't want to miss the last point. It could change the way you think about grading forever. Before we dive in, if you're new to this software and want to give it a try, check the link in the description below. You can test out EssayGrader AI for completely free. Yes, absolutely free. Now let's get into it. First, EssayGrader AI has been designed with a user-friendly interface that makes grading essays a breeze. It's like having a teaching assistant at your fingertips, capable of reviewing thousands of essays in a fraction of the time it would take manually. What's really impressive is how quickly it analyzes grammar, coherence, and structure, 3 major components that every essay needs to nail to impress. Second, the software doesn't just catch grammar mistakes like traditional spelling or grammar checkers. EssayGrader AI dives deeper by evaluating essay coherence. It analyzes how well the ideas flow and whether the arguments are logically structured. For anyone grading essays, you know how important it is for the ideas to connect smoothly. And EssayGrader AI really nails this part. Moving on, let's talk about accuracy. When it comes to grading, accuracy is key, and EssayGrader AI doesn't disappoint. Whether it's an essay about history, science, or literature, this AI tool can grade them all with consistent precision. The software uses advanced algorithms and natural language processing to ensure that no detail is missed. It doesn't just mark things as right or wrong, it assesses them in a nuanced way that aligns with professional grading standards. Another standout feature is its adaptability. This software works well with a wide range of essay types and writing styles. It's perfect for educators, content creators, or anyone who needs to analyze large amounts of text quickly. You can even adjust the grading criteria to focus more on certain aspects like originality or the use of sources. Now, the 5th thing to note is the detailed feedback it provides. Unlike generic AI tools, EssayGrader AI goes beyond just marking errors. It offers specific, actionable feedback to improve writing. From suggestions on sentence structure to recommendations on argument development, it's like having a personal tutor for every essay you grade. Another major plus is the time-saving factor. If you've ever been buried under a pile of essays, you know how overwhelming grading can be. EssayGrader AI significantly cuts down the time it takes to go through each essay while still providing high-quality results. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their grading process without sacrificing quality. Lastly, let's talk about the ease of integration. Whether you're using it for your own work or in a classroom setting, EssayGrader AI integrates seamlessly with other platforms. You don't have to worry about switching between different tools or manually transferring data. It's all automated, saving you even more time and effort. So, why should you care about this software? If you're a teacher, content creator, or even just someone who frequently evaluates written work, EssayGrader AI will make your life a lot easier. Whether you need help with grammar, structure, or detailed feedback, this software covers all your grading needs in one neat package. But before you leave, I want to make sure you know you can try out EssayGrader AI for free by clicking the link in the description. Plus, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've listed my recommended AI software options there as well, which you can also try for free. Don't forget to check those out and thank me later.